Hello, hello, hello. It's Nicole. Nicole is making it happen. And as you can see, I'm here at CVS on this very ugly and rainy day. But we're not going to complain too much because we are up and alive and there's so many people who did not make it to this day. So let's not complain. Let's thank God for giving us the ability to wake up and even being able to watch this video, make this video, and go shop in CVS and get some good deals. So the deals that we're going to do this week are actually from good through the 18th. I have my flyers all torn up here, but I just want to show you some of the deals that we're going to go in and get today. So we're going to look for the Zyrtec wipes. They are on sale for $5.99. I believe they're regularly $7.99, but we're going to get some of those because we have a CRT to get those, and we have a $3 off coupon. Then we're also going to take advantage of some CVS glitches, and that's where we're going to be able to use our paper coupons along with the digital coupons. And you're not normally able to do that, so we're going to take advantage of that. So the one glitch we're going to do is the Tresemme deal, and we're going to get back some extra bucks on that. And then you have this deal over here. Now this only shows the large Suave body wash or men's shampoo, and then the Dove products and Axe products, but the cheaper Suave body wash are included in this deal. So we're going to take advantage of that. So guys, as always, I need you to give this video a thumbs up so that everyone can take advantage of the savings and watch the video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so, and comment below. Let me know what deals you plan on doing, or if you want me to go out and do any particular deals, let me know that too. But let's head on into the store and let's grab some deals. And remember, we're going to get some glitches, so don't go to the store and say, hey, I heard a glitch. It's a glitch, because it won't work for you. So let's head in and let's see what we can get done. Okay guys, so I have two Hallmark CRTs. Now you might be asking, what are CRTs? CRTs are personalized coupons that are sent to your CVS app. Some of them are based upon what you buy on a daily basis, weekly basis, and some are just coupons, store coupons that they give to everyone who has the CVS app or extra care card. So I have this Hallmark CRT is $3 off 2 products, and I have 2 of them. Now you can use them on the cards, and you can see there's cards for 99 cents, or you can use them on bags, stickers, tissues, ribbons, whatever you choose. I normally get the ribbons, but I've been getting those for a while, so I'm kind of low on my bags. So I have a total of $6 that I'm going to spend. So you guys know me, I always like to stretch my dollar as much as I can. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to grab one of these medium-sized gift bags. They're $2.99. And then I'm going to grab a pack of tissue paper to match the gift bag, and that is $1.99, so I'm up to $5, right? And I'm going to grab 2 of these small paper gift bags. Those are only 49 cents, so I should be at about $5.96. So that should cover my $6 in CRTs that they're giving me on 2 Hallmark products. So we will put that to the side and we'll get our next items. Okay guys, so this is the deal on this. We are going to take advantage of a CVS glitch. And what the glitch is it's going to allow us to use a digital coupon along with a manufacturer coupon. These are the same coupons. Now normally you cannot use a digital with a manufacturer coupon, but because it's a glitch, we're going to be able to do so. So we definitely want to take advantage of this CVS glitch. So what the deal is you're going to get 2 Tresemme products. It doesn't matter which ones you get, just make sure that they are the ones that say 2 for $10, and you get a $2 extra buck when you buy 2 back. The only problem is you want to make sure that you get the 20-ounce bottles. Okay, so you're going to grab 2 of these. You can use the 2 conditioners, 2 shampoos, totally up to you what you want to do. But when you grab 2 of those, that's going to come to $10. You're going to use the $4 off 2 digital coupon in the CVS app, and you're also going to use this $4 off 2 coupon that came out in your Super Saver 2 weeks ago. You see it doesn't expire to the 25th. So that means at the register we're going to pay $8. Excuse me, we're going to pay $2 because we're going to get a total of $8 off. We're going to pay $2 at your register and get $2 back in extra bucks. So that's going to make this absolutely free. And as you can see, you can only do the deal 1 time. So I'm going to grab a shampoo and a conditioner, and we're going to put our coupon in the cart and move to our next deal. Okay guys, here is a clearance item that I want to show you. I've showed you this a few weeks ago, but they are still on clearance, so keep checking your store back, because I know I've emptied out like all of my stores and now I come in the store and I still see some here. But these are paparazzi hand sanitizers. They are only 29 cents. Let me turn this over so you can get the SKU. There's the UPC. Grab these guys, they're only 29 cents. So there's 3 left here, so I'm going to get all 3, put them in the cart. Okay guys, so here we're at another great deal, and this is also another CVS glitch. So we're going to use the CVS digital coupon, and we're going to use the manufacturer coupon. So we're going to grab 2 of these Suave body wash. You can get the men's, you can get the women, totally up to you, but they are regularly $2.49. They're on sale, buy 1 get 1 half off, and when you buy 2 you get $2 in extra bucks. So of course we want to buy 2 so we can take full advantage of the deal. So we're going to pay $2.49 for the first one and $1.25 for the second one, because it's buy 1 get 1 half off. So that's going to come to about $3.75. You're going to clip the digital coupon in your CVS app that is $1 off of 2, and you're going to use this $1 off of 2 coupon that again came out in your Super Saver 2 weeks ago. Doesn't expire to the 25th. So that means at the register you're going to pay a total of excuse me, you're going to pay $1.75 at the register, but you're going to get back $2 in extra bucks. So this is going to be a 25-cent money maker for us. So let me grab these 2, put them in the cart, the rest of our stuff and our coupon, and move on to our next deal. Okay guys, so we're going to head up to the register. This is everything that we're getting. We're going to get the shampoo and the conditioner, the 2 body washes, the 3 paparazzi hand sanitizers, the pack of tissue paper, the medium-sized gift bag, and then the 2 paper gift bags. So we have a total of 3, 6, 8, 10, 11 items that we're going to get, and you're going to be amazed at our out of pocket. Okay guys, so I am here at the register. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to put my phone number in, because you have to put your phone number in order for your digital coupons to come up, and then any extra care bucks that you want to use come up. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to start giving her my items so she can ring them up. I'm not going to show the cashier's face because I don't want to embarrass her on YouTube. So I will show you everything as she's ringing it up and show you how all of the coupons and things come off. For some reason it won't let me push this. There we go. Okay.
Have some coupons for me?
Yes, and I don't want to use any of my extra bucks. So our total is $23.12 before our coupons and our digital coupons. Okay, you can see that the $4 coupon came off and the dollar coupon came off. I don't want to use any of my extra bucks, so you can just go ahead and hit total.
Did you want to use the 3 off of 2 Hallmark cards?
Yes. I should have 2 of those. So you can see all of everything coming off here. So you see my total is $4.88. We'll go over the receipt once it prints out so you can see what the tax and things are. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so I'm back in the car, so let's go over our receipt. So here you see the Tresemme were 2 for $10. Ignore the prices on the other side. Those are the prices once coupons and discounts and all of that come off. So there you have the Tresemme that were on sale, 2 for $10. You have the 3 paparazzi hand sanitizers that I got for 29 cents on clearance. There's the 2 Suave body wash that were buy one, get one 50% off. Then the 4 Hallmark items that I got, the bag, the big bag, the 2 smaller bags, and then the tissue paper. Now let's see everything that came off. So there, the first thing is the $1 manufacturer coupon for the Suave body wash. Next is the $4 manufacturer coupon for the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. And then the coupon that says 1 Tresemme with a question mark, $4, that is the digital coupon. So there's the glitch. We actually got $8 off the shampoo and the conditioner. Then the one that says the Suave with the question mark, that's also the digital coupon, the glitch. And then you have the $3 off 2 Hallmark cards, which are CRTs. I told you I had 2 of those. Now you see one says $3 and one says $2.96. The reason the one says $2.96 is because when you're using a CRT, you can't use that overage. So they just adjust the CRT down. So my total was $4.60. And remember, we don't include tax because everyone's tax is different depending on where you live. So I paid $4.60 out of pocket, but I got back $2 in extra bucks for the Suave body wash, and I got $2 in extra bucks for the Tresemme. So if you take that from the $4.60, I only paid 60 cents out of pocket for those 11 items. But if you do not want to get the hand sanitizers, then that would be 90 cents less. So this would actually be a money maker for you. But I grab as much hand sanitizer as I can because COVID is still rampant and the numbers are going up. The kids are getting COVID like crazy and everyone's being hospitalized. So we want to make sure that we're sanitizing our hands and keeping our hands as clean as possible. So guys, you can go out and do this deal. And if you do, come back and let me know how it worked out for you. I didn't get the Zyrtec wipes because they only had 1 pack. And I needed to get 2 packs in order for me to get 2 for $2 because of my CRT that I have. But you can still do the deal with getting 1 pack and using the $3 off coupon, which brings them down to $2.99. That's still an excellent deal. But you guys know how cheap I am. Bargain Betty. So I didn't get them. I'm just going to go to another store and see if I can get them. But guys, until the next time, you know what to do. I need you to give this video a thumbs up. I need you to comment below, even if you're just saying hi. And as always, until the next time, keep on saving.